Hello, for this video we're going to talk about how to add a new chapter, section, or topic into your Office manual. So we have again the chapter level, we have the section level here, and then the topic level here. 3 levels total to subdivide and organize your Office manual. Now to add a chapter, you're going to click the add. If you do not have edit permissions for the Office manual, you will not see this button in its current configuration. So we're going to add chapter. We'll just add test and test. So you can format these areas here just like you can for a topic, but you don't have the options for uploading files, videos, audio, so on and so forth. And that's the big difference. So you can actually save that out and then you'll see test here. Now you could also drag and drop this up like this and go up a little further. And you'll see as I drag and drop here, you're going to see it drag and drop over here as well. It just updates dynamically, and we'll just drag this to the top, and you can see it drags to the top. Now, if you wanted to add some content to this chapter, you're going to click on that chapter level, and you can click Add Section. So this is Test Section, and again, Test Section. And what happens is some people will put information into the section as content for the Office manual, and I see that a lot, and it's a mistake because it's not actually where you put the actual information. There's no mark as read button, there's no ability to favorite it or to search it, nothing of the sort. So this one is already slated to be a part of the test chapter. That's what this little drop down is here. So if you click that, these are all the chapters, and we're going to just keep it at test because we started this section from the chapter by clicking that little add section button up there. So we're going to save this out. So now we have a test chapter and a test section, and now we're going to add a test topic. So here we go, test topic and test topic 1, test topic 2, test topic 3. The reason I did that was so you could see that we could format these several different ways. In fact, I'll just make this a heading 1, I'll make this a heading 2, make this one a heading 3, so on and so forth. So you can format these however you'd like, and you can increase the font size, the color, so on and so forth. Just play with this. It's pretty self-explanatory. Now over here, you'll notice that we have a couple of options. So we have employees with access. It's very important to set the access according to who you want to have access to this, and it's by default set to the employee that is creating this, but you want to go ahead and select all. And if you have multiple locations, you'll see the different locations there. If you did not want every employee to have access, you would literally scroll through your employee list and give only the employees that you want to have access. I'll select all here. And then this is going to be defaulted to the test section. So that's actually good. If you wanted to upload a file, a video, or an audio, you can do that here. And if you upload a file, for instance, I'll just upload this file just as an example. That's how you do that. And so we're going to go ahead and save this out. And that is our test topic. And if you want to add another file, you're just going to go to the edit pencil again. You're going to choose file again, navigate over to your file, open, and go ahead and update that. And what this is here, when you update an Office manual page after it's been updated the first time, it's going to ask you if you want to add a new version. Because what happens is when people mark this as read, they're going to mark as read a certain version of the page. And if you add a new version, as you see here, there's only one version right now as we just did this. But if you add a new version, it's going to auto version if you click yes to that little button up there. And what it does is it resets the mark as read for the employee file. So when you go to search that employee and you search their history, which looks like this, then the version that had been read previously will still show in their history. but you can create that new version and then have the employee go and click the Mark as Read button to document that they now have read the new version as well. Now, if you did not want the changes that you make to be a new version, you just click No for that radio button, and it will just save the update that you put in here without having it show as a new version and resetting all of the Mark as Reads for every employee that has read that particular version. So that is how you create a new chapter, a section, and a topic within the Office Manual, as well as a couple of other operations within the Office Manual. Let us know if you have any questions.